landscape of the internet, opportunities to earn money online are becoming more accessible than ever. One platform that has gained notoriety for its potential to generate income is Reddit. While Reddit is primarily known as a social media and discussion platform, some users have uncovered clever strategies to make a significant sum of money in a single day. In this video, we'll delve into one such Reddit trick and explore the steps to potentially earn $500 in a day. Thanks for watching our useful video regarding earning money. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more money rain ideas. Thank you. Disclaimer. It's essential to approach these methods with caution and ensure you're adhering to Reddit's guidelines and ethical practices. Find your niche. Reddit consists of thousands of subreddits, each catering to specific interests and topics. To begin, identify a subreddit related to your area of expertise or passion. Your success on Reddit largely depends on your ability to contribute meaningfully to discussions within that subreddit. If you're genuinely interested in the topic, it will be easier to engage with the community. Build credibility. Reddit values authenticity and contributions. Spend some time engaging with the community by commenting, upvoting quality content, and sharing your own insights. Building a positive reputation will make it easier for others to trust you, which is crucial for the success of this method. Create valuable content. Now comes the key part: creating content that stands out. Start by identifying trending topics or common questions within your chosen subreddit. Craft informative, well-researched, and engaging posts or comments. It could be a detailed guide, a helpful answer, or a unique perspective on a subject. High-quality content tends to receive more upvotes and visibility. Timing is everything. Timing plays a significant role in the success of your Reddit endeavor. Post your content when the subreddit is most active to maximize visibility. Many subreddits have peak activity times, so research and adapt accordingly. Upvotes and awards. Upvotes are Reddit's currency. The more upvotes your content receives, the higher it ranks in the subreddit and Reddit's overall feed. Additionally, some users might award your posts or comments with Reddit coins, which can be converted into real money. Encourage engagement and upvoting by providing valuable content and engaging with your audience. Promote your skills or services. If applicable, subtly promote your skills or services within your posts or comments. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, share design tips and offer your services when appropriate. Ensure that your promotions are relevant and non-intrusive to avoid coming across as spammy. Monitor and adapt. Keep an eye on your post's performance. If you notice particular types of content or topics are gaining more traction, focus your efforts in that direction. Reddit's algorithms are complex, and trends can change quickly, so staying adaptable is crucial. Cash out. Once you've accumulated a significant number of upvotes and awards, it's time to cash out. There are several ways to convert your Reddit success into money. You can sell your Reddit account, although this is against Reddit's terms of service, participate in Reddit-specific contests or giveaways, or explore opportunities to monetize your skills or services outside of Reddit.